Hi, this is Marissa Williams, and I will be explaining gas exchange, which is when we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So I drew a diagram of the lungs, and you can see below it where it just zoomed in is a more in-depth drawing. So for gas exchange, air flows into the body through the nasal passages in the mouth. So air passes through the epiglottis, which is a small flap, and it directs the air down into the lungs, and it takes all the food down the esophagus into the stomach. So when air travels down the trachea, which is also known as the windpipe, into the right and left bronchi, and these tubes um, become they're kind of like tree branches, so they turn thinner, and those are the bronchioles, and they are small sacs on the ends called alveoli. And those sacs that are surrounded by tiny capillaries which bring blood to exchange gases. So oxygen moves from the lungs into the bloodstream, and the carbon dioxide moves from the bloodstream to the lungs. So the exchange is actually based on the concentration of gases in the blood compared to the gases in the alveolus. So as you can see on the diagram, it has the alveolus wall, and then it has the bloodstream under it, which I highlighted in green, and the oxygenated blood goes to the pulmonary vein, and the deoxygenated blood is pumping from the artery. So as it's pumping through by the capillary, which is surrounding the alveolus, the water film and the gas exchange is happening there. So as it's diffusing, the carbon dioxide is going out of the bloodstream and into the alveolus, where the oxygen that was just inhaled is going into the bloodstream so it can continually get pumped back into the body. So oxygen is carried in the blood because it is bound to the heme groups and the hemoglobins, which are in the red blood cells. So the carbon dioxide in the blood is in the plasma, where it forms carbonic acid, which is H2CO3, and then it dissipates into bicarbonic ions, which is HCO3, and then a hydrogen ion, which is just H+. Thank you.